Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. How about you get a pen and a paper and save this recipe, because this almond cake is to die for. It's so moist, soft and delicious. Let me show you how easy it is to make, and let's get started. The first thing you're gonna do is make the almond paste by adding the almonds, the powdered sugar, 1 egg white, and mixing them together. You can use the food processor, especially if you're starting with whole raw almonds. I'm using ground almond meal here, so there's absolutely no need to use the food processor. I'm using the mixer and the whisk attachment. You're gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some flavoring. You can add almond extract, you can add vanilla extract. When they're mixed in to a paste consistency, you're gonna add the sugar and the butter and mix them in very well for a minute or two. This time I added granulated sugar, and make sure that the butter is very room temperature. Scrape the edges of the bowl as needed. Add the eggs one at a time and keep on mixing. And as you can see, I'm using extra large eggs. Your cake will be lighter, fluffier, and more moist, so always bake with extra large eggs. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. The last step is adding the all-purpose flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour here. To that, I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix them in very well, and then you're gonna add it to the batter. From there on, you're gonna just mix gently. Don't overmix the batter. You can use the whisk on the lowest setting, or you can even mix the flour with a spatula by hand. Just until combined. Don't overmix your batter, or it won't be as light and fluffy. Prep an 8-inch pan or 20 centimeters with parchment paper, baking spray on the sides. Add the batter, and then you're gonna bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius until a toothpick inserted comes out clean for about 30 minutes. Every oven is different, and look how soft, moist, and light this cake will turn out. Especially if you follow all the amounts in grams. Mix the butter and sugar very well, and don't overmix the batter when you add the flour. Use extra large eggs and you'll get a great result. You can top the cake with whatever you like. Today I'm gonna top it with some fresh peaches, fresh strawberries, Now it's time to make some creme shawn tea, and it's gonna consist of 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna add some vanilla extract and vanilla bean paste and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. Whip until a nice consistency. You can also choose to flavor the creme shawn tea with some almond extract instead of the vanilla extract. It's totally up to you. The cake is cool to the touch, and I'm ready to decorate it. I'm gonna place it on a platter. Add the peaches on top of the cake, some whipped cream and strawberries. Decorate with some powdered sugar, whipped cream, and strawberries. And I want to remind you that I leave all the amounts and all the ingredients in the description box below, so check it out. And if you have any question or any comment, leave it in the comments box below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media, the links are gonna be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!